Let's talk about your family. What's the story? You married? You got kids?
Oh yes, you know, I got a lovely wife, you know, and a lovely son, an 8-month-old son, and you know, those are my two greatest supporters that keep me going. You know, that son is, you know, that push me every day. You know, I come home and see my family. That's the main thing I keep pushing. You know, I want to know that after NFL, my family's taken care of, and I'm successful in life.
All right. Well, a lot of the ladies are now returning to the
leaving,
office.
Yeah.
Damn.
Yeah, so Paul, your family's a big influence for you, but what about, you know, when you're getting ready for a game? Is there like an artist or a song that really gets you going?
You know, a lot of people ask me that. You know, a lot of people really laugh when they hear what I listen to. You know, I listen to more Simone songs. You know, I listen to like some of the anthem songs. And that's what motivates me. It's Polynesian music. I really don't listen to reggae. It's mostly like Samoan music, like old school, Young Lovers, you know, 5 Stars.
Oh yeah.
All right. I'm an old cat, but
so that's doesn't sound anything like that.
Yeah.
Now I see you've brought in some gifts as well, brother. What have you got there for us?
Oh yeah, man. You know, I got two of the Miami Dolphins hat I signed to my special friends over here in the radio station. You know.
Right. Did I sound like a scam just then?
No, I'm glad you did, bro, because it was meaning.
Yeah. I feel like one of my relatives in Samoa, you know, when you go to Samoa and they go, oh, mangelo waki. That's why you buy the $2 watches when you go to Samoa. Oh, you can have it. Yeah. Hey, brother, we want to give away one of these prizes, if that's okay with you. So, to all the listeners out there, because you play for the Miami Dolphins, I thought, you know, let's get someone to call through and do their best Dolphin impersonation. And I've been practicing all morning. And
you've been pretty good.
Yeah.
Can you show Paul your Dolphin?
So if you can just picture me in the water. Yeah. We got Nina, who you met. We got her to try it. And, her one was more like a walrus. So why don't you give us a call? The phone lines are going crazy already. 0800 223 103. It's that simple. Just give us your best Dolphin impersonation.
Yeah, signed by the man himself as well, man. If you're keen, if you can do a better job than that, then cap's all yours. And you're giving your one away, by the way.
Oh, okay.
This is for the children that I go to the shelter for.
Yeah. That's Dolphin for stuff you.